Jenny I feel like my Jenny impersonation. Huwag kayong mag-expect talaga, nakakatakot. Kinakabahan ako talaga. Feeling ko ibabash nyo ako lahat. Well, regardless kung i-bash nyo ako, gusto ko lang sabihin that I tried my best. I really tried my best. Hindi madali si Jenny. Hindi naman ako marunong mag-Korean. Tsaka, honestly, Jenny is so hard. It is so hard to try and be her because she has this aura that only she can do. I don't have that at all. But I love Jenny so much. So I just tried my Okay, next. Tapos na tayo sa curl na paloob. Mag-curl. I'm live lang. Bye. Sorry. Oh my god. Stupid.
Like, what's wrong? Pag may bilik mata, hindi na halata. Mas mataas. Alam nyo, pag nag-eyeliner guys, sobrang helpful nito. Sobrang, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa kanya, pero para siyang cotton bud na patusok. Ito ba yung mataas? Ito? Ito ba? Yan ba? Okay, mag-eyeliner tayo ng waterline. Looking like a goddamn masochist. Just an afterthought. Are you serious? Making a worthwhile. Saan ba ang punta? Maghahasik ako ng lagim. Yes. Teka, kanina ka pa nag-aayos. Uy lang. Di ba ako nagmamadali? Madami akong time. Oh my god, that's crazy. What time kayo? Mga 8. Ay, buang. Ay, ang galing-galing. Okay, tama na to. Foundation na tayo. Make it like smile, make it worthwhile. Oh no, nakatabingi na. Please give justice to Jenny. Wow naman, for the pressure ka naman, ate ko. Siyempre, I will try my best. We all do our best. And yun naman ang importante. Una sa lahat, hindi naman ako impersonator. Hindi ko nga alam ba't ako sumali. Nagpipintura, yes! sasampal-samparin mo yung face mo like this. Minamahal kita kahit nasasaktan. Sabi ng makeup artist ko, dapat gentle lang. Pero, ewan ko, gusto ko yung ganun.
For the drama. Okay. We are going to spray our face. Magsispray tayo. What I like to do with my under eye is get a pressed powder with a puff. Okay, for lips, what do I want to do? Yes, I love the lippy. My lippy is from Kathy Doll. Kathy Doll Not Too Matte Lip in number 10 high school. Napaka-OA. Optional if you wanna put glitters. If you want, kung gusto mo lang. If you wanna make your eyes pop. Yay, we're done. Haba na pala ng buhok ko. Period. Then, i-recurl lang natin ito. But you're done. We is done. And that's all. Tapos na. End live na. Center po ito. Ito na yung center ko kasi this is my cowlick. So, ito na yun talaga. Ito na yung pinaka-center. Group chat naman. Ano bang pinag-uusapan? Sandali nga. Dahil tapos na ako, tigilan natin to. What's my outfit? I have no idea. Si Lord na ang bahala. Bye guys! Yan lang. Gusto ko lang talaga mag-makeup.